In this video, we're gonna learn how to install Chocolatey in your local machine, that is Windows in my case. So the basic requirement for Windows installation is that you have to have Windows 7 Plus, PowerShell with admin access, and also .NET Framework. So first of all, just open your start menu, then type PowerShell, then right click it and run as administrator. You have to be an administrator or it will not work. So after that, go below and go to the individual section, then copy this command Get-ExecutionPolicy, then paste it here. It is showing all signed because I have already installed it in my device, local machine. But in your case it will show you restricted. So if it's showing you restricted, copy this command set execution policy all assigned and paste it in a PowerShell. Note that you have to run this command, not this command. This command is a shit, it will not work. I just wasted a few time of installation. I gave it a few times because it will not working. So run this command. Without this command, your Chocolatey will not be installed in your device. So copy this and paste it, and after that run this. Copy this and paste it in your PowerShell, and it will show you like ask for some yes or no questions. Type yes, press Y, then it will be installed. And after install, you can view like Choco, and it will show you the version of installed in your local machine. So Chocolatey is just a package manager tool like npm and Composer. I'm using it especially for installing React Native projects in my local machine. So if you see the requirement for Chocolatey, it also mentioned that you have to have a .NET framework. What if you don't have a .NET framework in your local machine? In that case, by running this command, it will also install .NET framework environment in your local machine. So that's it for installation, and congratulations, you just installed Chocolatey in your local machine. Now you can go to React Native and run this command. You can install React Native in your local machine, etc.